Hey guys, good morning. Uh, Today we're gonna start the chapter 2 of the Clio book, and in the chapter 2 of this book, especially in the page 22, and I will ask you guys to put in this page very soon, but hold on, I want to present to you the title because the title of this chapter is very significant because the title of this chapter, chapter 2 of the Clio book, is Tree of Life. But it's not 3 the number, it's 3 the noun. So, Tree of Life is our title today. And you will see a lot of things about plants, about flowers, roots, and all the parts of the plants, the importance of PA physical exercises like yoga, for example. And right now, I want that you guys follow what is subscribing right here and click pause and open your books on the page 22 of your Clio book. So, nice. So, let's check out. So, guys, as I was saying, today we are studying the chapter 2 of the Clio book. The title of this chapter is Tree of Life. So, the chapter is Tree of Life. And this is very significant, as I said, because Tree of Life in Portuguese is a description of how can we control our activity of a healthy life, how can we control the process of life. So in this process of life, here we have two special characters. Not they are special too, but I'm talking about the father, and the son, the kid, right here. And they are doing something at a place. Which place is this? Yeah, the beach. Look, the ocean. Look, the sea, the ocean, right here. We see the sand, the sun over here, and the father and his son is practicing yoga. They are practicing yoga. Look. And right here we have in this talk, so let's talk, the female character, Anne, and the male character are discussing about something. And Anne asked, where can you find plants? Where can we find plants? And also, he asked, why do plants have different colors? So why do plants have different colors? And he said, what plants do you know? So plants is really important in this chapter. So we will study a little bit more about plants. Okay? So this is the introduction of this chapter. The chapter 2, we will discuss about the tree of life, about process as the plants. Okay? So guys, we saw the page 22, and now we are seeing the page 24. Okay? Page 24. So, the page 24, we have parts of a plant. Here it is, a plant. This whole thing is a plant. And every part of the plant we have to study right here. So, science. read, and think. So let's read. There are many kinds of plants. Plants can be very different. Some have flowers, some don't. Some give us fruit, some give us vegetables, but most plants have things in common. Let's see. Most of the plants start from seeds. They have leaves. They have roots. Roots absorb nutrients from the soil. Look, the soil. They have stems. Stems support the plants. They need soil, sun, and water to live. All plants give us oxygen. That's why they are important to us. So here we have a plant. We have the flower, fruit, seed, leaf, and root. Those are the parts of the plants. Let's read once again. There are many kinds of plants. Plants can be very different. Some have flowers, some don't. Some give us fruit, some give us vegetables, but most of plants have things in common. Most of the plants start from seeds. They have leaves. They have roots. Roots absorb nutrients from the soil. They have stems. Stems support the plants. They need soil, sun, and water to live. All plants give us oxygen. That's why they are important to us. So, the plants are really important to us. Okay? After the reading, let's answer the questions. True or false? Let's see. So guys, here it is again. I'm back. Guys, we just saw the beginning of this page 24 of your Clio book, page 24 of your Clio book, in the chapter 2 is the third page of the chapter 2, and the chapter 2 is discussing and have a title that is a great reference of this discussion, that is Tree of Life. So Tree of Life, we are talking about the process of the life, or correct, some genetical process to the family, how our society and how our life as an individual, as a particular individual in the society, in the life. So we are discussing about process, about characteristic, about parts that compose all of our lives. So here in the true or false question, question 2 of its page, I repeat guys, page 24 of the chapter 2 of your Clio book. In the page 24 we have in the second question the true or false. Here we have 4 informations, 4 letters, letter A, letter B, letter C, letter D. All of these letters have alongside information. We have 4 informations according to its letters. And beside the informations, we have 4 squares. As you guys already know, we have to check a T if the sentence, if the information is true, and a F if the information is false if it is a hook. So guys, the first information in the first letter, letter A, of course, we have A. All plants are equal. So guys, we just saw in the text above the page that the plants have different characteristics. Plants have some specific elements, specific parts, and specific varieties. So guys, this information is false because not all the plants are equal. We have some plants that are equal, okay, but we have plants that are different. So here is F of false. So letter B, we have some plants some plants don't have flowers. Some plants don't have flowers. This information, guys, is, yes, it is, the information is true. As I just said, and as we saw in the text, we have varieties. We have different kinds of flowers. So some plants do not have flowers. So this is true because the plants are different. Some of them have flowers, some of them do not have flowers. So this information is true, fellas and little ladies. So in the letter C, we have most plants don't have leaves. Most plants don't have leaves. As we saw in the text is really important, guys. We have to read and think, as the first question said. Read and think. So, as we read, most part of the plants have leaves. So this information is false because the information saying that most plants do not have flowers, but we know that the most part of plants have leaves. So this information is false. This information is false, okay? False. So, just to wrap it up, to finish, the letter D, we have plants are important for us. Of course, we've learned, guys, that plants is an important item of nature. So, plants are really very important for us. So, the information in the letter D, it is true. It is true, okay? This information is true. So, guys, thank you a lot.